What happens during a heart attack? The race against time. Inside your body, every 40 seconds, someone experiences a heart attack. It can happen to young adults, older people, athletes, or those who appear perfectly healthy. But what actually happens inside the body during those terrifying moments? Is a heart attack the same as cardiac arrest? Can your heart really stop during a heart attack? And why do doctors say that every minute counts? Welcome to World of Science Info. Today, we're taking an incredible journey inside the human body to discover exactly what happens during a heart attack. First, let's understand how the heart normally works. Your heart is a powerful muscle about the size of your fist. It beats around 100,000 times every day, pumping blood through nearly 100,000 kilometers of blood vessels. To keep beating, the heart needs its own oxygen supply. This oxygen-rich blood reaches the heart through special blood vessels called the coronary arteries. Think of these arteries as highways delivering oxygen and nutrients to the heart muscle every second of your life. But these highways don't always stay clear. Over many years, fatty deposits called plaques can slowly build up inside the artery walls. This process is known as atherosclerosis. At first, these plaques may not cause any symptoms. A person can feel completely healthy while the arteries become narrower and narrower. Then, one day, something dramatic happens. A plaque suddenly cracks open. Your body reacts as if it has been injured and quickly forms a blood clot to repair the damage. Unfortunately, that clot may completely block the artery. Within seconds, oxygen can no longer reach part of the heart muscle. The countdown begins. Within minutes, the heart cells in that area begin to suffer because they are starved of oxygen. Without oxygen, these cells cannot produce enough energy to function. This is when many people experience the classic symptoms of a heart attack: chest pain or pressure, a squeezing or heavy feeling in the center of the chest, pain spreading to the left arm, shoulder, jaw, neck, or back, shortness of breath, cold sweating, nausea, dizziness. However, not everyone experiences the same symptoms. Some people, especially women, older adults, and people with diabetes, may have unusual symptoms such as extreme fatigue, stomach discomfort, or pain in the jaw or back. That's why recognizing a heart attack can sometimes be difficult. As the blocked artery remains closed, more heart muscle begins to die. Doctors often say, "Time is muscle." The longer the blockage remains, the more permanent damage occurs. If blood flow is restored quickly, much of the heart muscle may survive. If treatment is delayed for several hours, large areas of the heart can be permanently damaged. In severe cases, dangerous electrical disturbances can develop. The heart may begin beating too fast, too slowly, or in a completely chaotic rhythm. If the heart suddenly stops pumping blood effectively, this is called cardiac arrest. Although a heart attack can cause cardiac arrest, they are not the same condition. A heart attack is a circulation problem caused by blocked blood flow. Cardiac arrest is an electrical problem in which the heart suddenly stops pumping effectively. Doctors treat heart attacks as medical emergencies. In hospitals, special tests such as an electrocardiogram, also called an ECG, help detect changes in the heart's electrical activity. Blood tests can also detect proteins released when heart muscle cells are damaged. If a blocked artery is found, doctors may restore blood flow using a procedure called coronary angioplasty. During this treatment, a tiny balloon is inserted through a blood vessel and inflated inside the blocked artery. A small metal mesh tube called a stent is often left behind to help keep the artery open. In some cases, medications are used to dissolve blood clots or reduce further clot formation. After recovery, many people make important lifestyle changes: regular exercise, a balanced diet, stopping smoking, managing blood pressure, controlling diabetes, reducing cholesterol. These changes can significantly lower the risk of another heart attack. The remarkable thing is that your heart works tirelessly every second of your life without asking for attention. Yet its health depends greatly on the choices we make every day. Healthy food, regular physical activity, good sleep, stress management, and regular medical checkups when appropriate. Your heart has been beating faithfully since before you were born. Taking care of it is one of the greatest investments you can make in your future. If you enjoyed this journey inside the human body, subscribe to World of Science Info for more fascinating science and medical videos that make complex topics easy to understand. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.